do that too. Look at her. Oh, that one over there. Just keep looking. Just keep looking, okay?
Yeah, look cute.
She's fine now, Hannah. Look at her, Hannah. She's very sweet. She just Hannah, look. There's the one right here. Look, she's right there now. She's on the second one right there. Look up. That's the one right there.
Megan, is it a good one?
Sometimes I'm gonna find out. I usually try to catch them with my hands first.
Right there. Right there. See him? There he is.
You sure, Megan?
Quick little bugger.
Right there, right there.
That one, Hannah?
Yeah, right there. There.
I forget how tame your bird is, Meg. Oh, there we go. They're like hot. Oh, the bird's in there? Oh, poor little terrified bird.
I'm gonna actually have your parents carry this one, okay? Because he's a little freaked out.
Poor thing.
Buddy.
So we gotta go right home and put it in the cage, okay? There you go.
Wait, could I use your coat and wrap it? It's okay.
All right, your total is $41.98 today,
Do
ma'am.
you have a pen, please?
There you go.
We need to go inside.
Just wait, okay. I'll hold this. You just hold it with two hands. You just hold it with two hands.
Yep, for 30.
Just wait, move.
Can I see it? I want to do it. I barely got to see the little thing.
We don't want her to hop out, guys.
Come on. Hi, Dwayne. Hi, Bubbles.
Noisy. Stand back, Hannah. Stand back, Hannah. Coming out, Hannah?
No.
She's scared.
I know. What do you wait?
Come on.
There you go. Yeah. There you go, Bubbles.
Oh, she's so cute. Hannah, happy birthday.
Aww.
I think she's happy. Look, Hannah. Look at Bubbles. She pooped in here.
That's for you.
She pooped in
I
there.
knew she would poop in here. There.
Oh. Look at Daddy.
That's
Smile.
for you.
Wait.
Smile.
And the rest is for Pink
Go back.
Bubbles.
Go say, meet Bubbles. Bubble
Meet
Ferris.
Bubbles Ferris.
I think she's got poop on her.